Okay, welcome back. In our previous video, we have seen like maybe our motivation, in the sense that we have a method, existing method, that we want to modify. So in the next, what we are going to discuss now is we are going to discuss about the aim and objective of our proposal. So maybe we have to create another slide. So we start with begin frame, and frame. Then of course we need a frame title here, frame title, and the frame title we put aim and objectives. So this you have to be clear here. So we just said our aim should be specific. So let's just say our aim is to present a positive, or let's say a derivative free algorithm for solving large scale, but instead of calling it derivative free, let me call it a spectral algorithm for solving large scale nonlinear systems of equations. Full stop. This is our aim. This aim can be achieved through the following objectives. What are the objectives? Then I will put them in itemized form, or let me just put them in instead of itemized, let me put them in enumerate forms. So enumerate. Then the first objective is that to present an algorithm that is derivative free require minimal amount of storage. To present algorithm that is derivative free and requires minimal amount of storage. That is 1. 2, \item. We don't need to put 1, 2, we just put item, then it will automatically number it for us. Then number 2 is to present an alternative spectral coefficient, that is to present an alternative spectral coefficient that is positive and bounded under standard assumptions. To present alternative spectral coefficient that is positive and bounded under standard assumption, then Next, to compute the step length using a well-defined derivative free line search condition. To compute the step length using a derivative free line search procedure. Then maybe lastly, to compare or to prove the global convergence of the proposed algorithm, and lastly to compare the proposed algorithm with the existing method, or let's say existing algorithm in the literature. Full stop. So this is our aim and objective slide. So I wanted to compile it, so it's come out. Now look at it. So it's better to even concentrate or to put only aim and objectives in only one slide. Your aim should be clear. So our aim here is to present a spectral algorithm for solving large-scale nonlinear system of equation, and this aim is going to achieve through the following objective. That is, we are going to present algorithm that is derivative free and requires minimal amount of storage. Also, to present an alternative spectral coefficient that is positive and bounded under standard assumption. And then we want to compute the step length using the derivative free line search procedure, and to prove the global convergence of the proposed algorithm. This is full stop, not comma. Then to compare the proposed algorithm with the existing algorithm in the literature. So this is clear, very clear. The aim are clear, objectives also are clear. So this is supposed to be, but in your own case, you may not necessarily have an objective, but you have to tell us what you are intending to do. You see here, aim and objectives is the one that is telling maybe audience of what is intended to do, or what I think in one of the things we have in one of the things we listed in that presentation guide. Yes, here it is, that why do you do it? We have already mentioned about that. And then the next is, how do you do it, the method. Even though this also give us maybe like a clue of what we are going to do. So in the next slide we are going to start the main result. In the next video we are going to start the next result, inshallah. So I will go for prayers now. When I come back I will continue with the next video. Thank you very much for watching and listening.